begging you, don't. You're begging me. No, I'm going. No. Steve, please, get hold of yourself.
City. You ruined everything. They can't protect you. No. They've harmed Leslie and Harvey. Punishment is all that's left. No.
Dishwasher.
Shut up, Kai. I am so tired of you disrespect me, and you think you grown cuz you finna call me a heathen since not only that you've had enough, and now you drive me nuts, and you finna tick me off and you try to force yourself to betraying Six and Raincoat. Girl, and now you staying with Blue Sonic the Hedgehog, that you became me, and that spray painting white skin.
Oh my god!
How about you shut your face and your globby mouth up before I will bust your teeth out your mouth?
Mr. Dish!
What? Can't you see I'm getting ticked off? Why the heck are you still touching me in the first place? I owe you that a problem about that dang golf lobby. Praise breaking inside the golf lobby, and everything still's on that same size.
I'm
sick and tired of here. Where's Kai James? Where's he? Where's he go? And where the heck is he hidden? What about Kai James? Huh? What about him? What about Mr. Jams? I'm sick at it, Libmo. Meat boy, go to my house and get me a meat cleavers. Oh, I will kill him and break Inuyasha's ankle. If you don't stop saying sorry to Inuyasha, I will peel your limb off and make it bleed in your skin off your arm, cause all this skunks, right he? You don't know what I'm going through. What about me you've been waiting? What about me you've been nothing? What about you help on yo own side? And you keep on your pricking but drick over heel. You getting shucked up. Like you own yo skunking side. You own yo skunking side. Y'all an idiot. Y'all in sick. Y'all in drunk. Y'all in tough. You did it Inuyasha. I'm not happy because I'm dead right now. Cause y'all did bad things over here like you over here in that my three word for you. Get out you spoiled kid. How about you beat that gate door, and you break that gate for, so I rip that gate door off, and bash the heck out of you. You greedy prick.
Okay. Just stop it.
Don't make me beat you with this gate door.
Dishwasher, stop being in it.
Shut up! Say that again, I will stomp that foot up yo cracked. You better keep your mouth shut.
Dishwasher, please stop being a dramatic.
Prick, I'm gonna beat you with this shift blade. Now everybody hates Inuyasha. Y'all hate Inuyasha.
What's that noise?
I don't know, but it sounds like a crashed out by Dishwasher.
shut up.
He's insane.
Yeah, he is.
What you've done, my friend, to my city. You don't deserve mercy. For killing the last on our hero samurai of warrior, innocent people, Charlie, Lester, Tommy, Rex, and Kelly on the Xbox Live Arcade, in Dead Samurai Vampire Smile, Charlie Murder, Zombie, and Pterodactyl. I made a game with zombies in it, and Time Viking. I do not care about you were living at the Oxmoor Valley Elementary School, Kai James. Now shut up and let me tell you something what's gonna happen. Since you finna acting up in class, you went through Ms. Moore class, you through the PE, you went through the recess, and you still bullying your students from Oxmoor Valley. You don't know how to agree that, the most what you can do. I'm tear that butt up. You don't know how to behave, you don't know how to be quiet in Ms. Moore class, and you don't learn how to respect your own life. Look what you done to your students. You try to pull the Benjamin's hair, you make him cry, and you pull Benjamin's hair off. How the heck did you do that to somebody else? Huh, but for what Cha need to do is, you better apologize to Benjamin. Matter of fact, you know what? Get in the car. Get in the car.
What you've done to my friends, to my city. You don't deserve mercy.
Let me explain.
Explain what? You killed my step sister. You feel that? Huh? You feel that? You kill the innocent people in the Ska Studio City. You fake satanic fatso. You kill my mom and dad. Because you stupid murderer. Why'd you do that? You didn't answer my question. Why do you do that, kid? Matter of fact. Answer me, you fat pity pig. Yeah, that's too good for you. Is it too much blood on your forehead and your body? Ha! what you've done to my family. Why did you ignore my ska studio since you were a little kid? How's your pain? Huh, how is your pain? Now go play as Yuki before I will break your hands off.
What was that?
Another night of violence and bloodshed. The death of a terrorist at the hands of an out-of-control vigilante. And if the Rat King's threats are to be believed, we still have an apocalypse to look forward to. This is Alexander Bracken, reporting live from a city in chaos.
Take it easy! Please. Take it easy!
Hello, Mr. Bracken.
Just hold on! Chill out a second! Give me that! No!
Let us stop
Chill out!
Vince.
Somebody! Get somebody!
Shut up!
Come on! Come here! Come on out here! Come on down!
I got all night.
I got all night! Okay. Give me space. Just relax.